Hey, today we'll delve into how to qualify for tax forgiveness. Stick around till the end of the video to grasp the ins and outs. Tax forgiveness, a program facilitated by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS), assists individuals in repaying tax debts in a manageable manner. Here are the requirements to qualify. Insufficient disposable income. Your disposable income should be inadequate to cover your tax debts. The IRS will verify this to ensure you genuinely cannot settle your debts with your current income. Inadequate asset value. The value of your assets, including vehicles and savings, must be insufficient to cover your debts if sold. Up-to-date tax returns. You must have filed your tax returns, and they must be current. Clean tax history. A clean tax history is essential. If you've been charged with tax evasion in the past, you won't qualify. No ongoing bankruptcy case. You must not be involved in an ongoing bankruptcy case. Willingness to pay. You must be willing to pay the tax debt within the agreed time limits. Additionally, you may qualify for tax forgiveness if you're facing extreme conditions such as severe illness, or if the doubt exists regarding the tax debt you owe to the IRS. So that's what you need to qualify for tax forgiveness. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.